You wouldn't go and build a house without a plan. But most small business owners, unfortunately, when it comes to their digital house, which is your website, your digital storefront, they go into it without a plan. You've hired a web designer who can make a beautiful looking website, but they didn't maybe use the right words that convert to a sale. Or maybe you hired a copywriter that wrote this really great copy for you and the words sound great, but visually it just falls flat and it's leaving your customers confused. I've got this free gift for you. It is the website wireframe template. This follows the proven StoryBrand marketing made simple website wireframe that your small business needs to ensure that it has the 10 things that customers are looking for when they land on a website. We are going to give you sketches and outline, sample copy of where it should go so you know exactly what your website needs so you can stand out from the competition and clearly communicate to your customers the problems you solve and why they should hire you as the expert guide. So stop building bad websites, download the free website wireframe template today and start creating clear websites that convert. Drop your name and email down here. We're going to send you the guide. Now listen, don't let this just be another PDF that sits in the inbox. Take action on this thing. You might not be able to make all the changes, but I promise you, if you just start making a few simple changes, especially in what we show you in part 1 over the header, you just make those changes right there, you will see growth with your small business. So enter your information down below, download the website wireframe template, and create websites that convert.